So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want every Google Forms response to automatically appear in a Google Sheet, you can connect them in just a few clicks, and here's how. Firstly, click the Google Sheets icon at the top of the Responses section. Select Create a new spreadsheet, then click Create. Google Sheets will open in a new tab with your form connected. Now, whenever someone submits the form, their response will be automatically added to the spreadsheet. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. That's how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. No any other steps. It's an easy way to automatically collect and organize all your responses in one place. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.